Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the Space Mouse to your computer and installing the vendor driver. This enables full functionality. Once done, launch your 3D application and load the plugin so the controller maps correctly. Make small, deliberate inputs, push, pull, twist, while holding the loop with relaxed grip so you sense resistance. These first moves calibrate your muscle memory and confirm the device responds. If rotation feels inverted, update mapping in the plugin. That adjustment saves time later. Now you refine control by adjusting sensitivity and mode behavior in the control panel so movements match your intent. Lower sensitivity for precision, raise it for fast navigation. Assign the programmable buttons to fit common tools or view presets. This makes switching instant. Practice isolating axes. Use X and Y for pans, Z for dolly, and the twist for yaw, pitch, and roll individually so you learn feel. Once confident, save a profile per project. That preserves muscle memory across tasks. To finish, weave the Space Mouse into your workflow by alternating it with the regular mouse. Use the Space Mouse for navigation and broad transforms, and the mouse for detailed edits. Make and save custom profiles for different projects so switching takes seconds, and back up those profiles. If things go wrong, restart the driver and replug the unit. Check that your 3D app plugin version matches the driver. If jitter persists, lower sensitivity and enable smoothing. This often resolves tracking hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.